thing you are going to enter, that particular name has to be there here. The next thing what you do is inside the table, inside this table, what you have to do is print the data of all the records inside that particular table. This is the table entry. Nothing you want, just you have to do this. I'll give you the what the initially you will get this data, right? Little modification is required in the code now. That you try it out. Now, if you call is authorized method, what you will get the register object. Now you check your password, everything. Then you already have an object. After don't return true or false. Now return a map. Return a map. Return a map. Now the first one will be like keep it as string. String will be the key. Then keep it as an object or however you want to keep it. Next, what you do is you use map itself. Now, whatever the username you want it, right? For that, keep a key one and add the value. The same way user list, and you get this list of what we call it as register. Now, inside your JSP, however you will display, just look it into and display it into the JSP. Your Spring provides one of the expression language where it will be dollar. Then you will get your square bracket, okay, flower brackets. Now, what you will do is you will have the how it will be is uh, look here. Now look for this home.jsp. Let's say you are passing some data here. So first will be the key username. Then you are going to give the value. Whatever the value you want to send into that particular JSP file. For that particular JSP file, whatever the data you want to generate, that goes with the key and value page. Now the next one I'll keep it as something called as string. Now what happens if you want to display this string, right? First is key. Username is nothing but a key. The next is string. String is a value. If you want to display this value, what you have to do is key. You have to inside your JSP file itself. Inside this home.jsp itself, what you can do is dollar, then use that reference. Use that reference. It should print the that particular value, whatever you are going to use. But in your case, what it will not be directly a key. This value, whatever you are going to pass it here, right? This value, whatever you are going to pass it, it will be a map. It will be a map. Got it now? The value, whatever you are going to keep it will be a map. Now it is a string. Now instead of the string, it will be a map. From where you will get that map is nothing but is authorized method is the one which you are going to call it. Now after this, what you will do is look, once it is done, right? Don't return true or false. Don't return true or false. Just return. Now make this as return type as of map. Make this return type as map. Okay, I will make it here. From the util package string, and the value becomes object. Now what you will do is if this null only, this also null. Now this logic changes. Now what you will do is new hash map. inside this map you will add two parameters. One is what is the method you will use to put. One is username, where you will get that username, your register object register dot get user get name. You have it. Now the next one you will have is nothing but the list of objects. Again you will make out one more database call, get all the records from the table. That reference you are going to add it into the map. Now from here what you will do is you will return hash. Got it? Now change that inside your
ये हैक हो गया पेरेंट क्लास
okay. So inside your controller, what happens? Just comment out this logic, keep it with you only. Now here what happens is the same method you will call it, but what you will get it as return type as a map. Now this map, what you are going to do it, you are going to pass it to your home.jsp. Later you will get the value and display it inside the JSP. Got it? That is what you have to do. Right? Okay. All the records after the password is correct, write one more method inside your file. What is that one? Find all method which will return all the records from your register table. Call that method, you will get list of register objects. That reference also how we are adding the map, right? How we are adding the data to your hash map here. The same way add hash map dot put, give it as user list and give the reference of that particular data. Now return it back. Now after returning it back inside your JSP, you need to print that values in the form of table. Got it?
Yes, sir.
That is what you have to do. Understood, right?
Yes.